Hello, young sir. Now I'm going to mansplain a few things to you, but first, I want you to watch this.
This is the Scold's Bridle. It is for punishing argumentative, nagging women. Women were considered to be subservient to men in the 17th century and so were not allowed to be argumentative. You had to be arrested and tried and convicted by a magistrate. It opens up, the mouthpiece goes into your mouth and it is locked around the back of the head and then a piece of rope will be tied to it.
Now, sir, I challenge you to name a time in our history where women have done that and other disgusting things like that to men as an institutional thing. You're going to have a hard time finding that. Misandry is not the same as misogyny. Misandry is a reaction to misogyny, to centuries of abuse and objectification. And you trying to all lives matter it just shows what side you're actually on. I got an idea. Talk to all the misogynists you know, including yourself, and stop being so misogynistic. And watch how misandry, this misandry that you fear so much, slowly fades away. I got a feeling you're not going to do that. But you have a good day anyway.